Hi everyone, today's topic is carbohydrate. Carbo means carbon, hydrates means water, CH2ON. This is the empirical formula of carbohydrate, or you can say monosaccharide. Frequently asked question. Prototype of carbohydrate is glucose. We all know the prototype of carbohydrate is glucose, and the molecular formula is C6H12O6. Glucose is having molecular formula C6H12O6, and fructose, mannose, galactose, all these four are having same molecular formula, that is C6H12O6, means all these are isomers. Different compound having same molecular formula are called isomers. If we talk about glucose, glucose is having aldehyde group at carbon number 1. Carbon number 1 is having aldehyde group. That's why it is called aldose sugar. Question आता है कि glucose is aldose sugar. While fructose is having keto group at C2. Carbon number 2 पे keto group होता है. That's why fructose is called keto sugar. You all know that fructose is present in fruits. Fructose is present in fruits. Mnemonic कैसे बना सकते हैं? फलों को काटो, फलों को काटो, fruits को काटो. Okay, fructose, keto sugar. Okay, and this keto group is present 2 अपने आप बता रहा है C2. A मतलब एक, C1 एल्डिहाइड C1 पे होता है, कीटो C2 पे होता है, याद रखना है. And these functional group, aldehyde and keto group, provide reducing property. Okay, so question is asked, all monosaccharides, write down, all monosaccharides are reducing sugars. So glucose, fructose, mannose, galactose, all are reducing sugar. If we talk about mannose and galactose, these are having same molecular formula C6H12O6, and they are called apimer of glucose. But you are to remember the number at which carbon atom they show apimerism. How to remember? Mannose is having 2N, so C2. Galactose C4. Question is asked that glucose is apimer of mannose at C2, or mannose is apimer of glucose at C2. Galactose is apimer of glucose at C4. So these are commonly asked questions. Now we come to disaccharides. In disaccharide we will discuss sucrose, lactose, maltose and trehalose. सिंपल निमोनिक, जब भी डाइसैकेराइड होगा 1 यूनिट इज ग्लूकोज. एक यूनिट क्या है? ग्लूकोज है. वी आर टू फाइंड द अदर यूनिट. सुक्रोज शुक्रवार, फ्राइडे. फ्रक्टोज, हाउ टू रिमेंबर? सुक्रोज में एक यूनिट तो ग्लूकोज होगी. वी आर टू फाइंड अनदर, फ्राइडे, फ्रक्टोज. लैक्टोज ग्लूकोज प्लस गैलेक्टोज. ओके, जस्ट एड Ga. Okay, maltose. You all know that each and every cell utilize glucose for the production of energy. So glucose is the best thing. माल है ये सेल के लिए. तो माल मतलब all both units are glucose. Trehalose again both units are glucose. What's the difference? We found when maltose glucose join with glucose, C1 of glucose bind with C4 of glucose. So this glucose having C1 free, and glucose में C1 पे क्या था? Aldehyde. So aldehyde is free, so it is reducing sugar. If we talk about lactose, glucose and galactose, it is also no need to remember कैसे होता है, बस reducing sugar. Now we want to remember sucrose. We find that C1 of glucose bind with C2 of fructose. ग्लूकोज का C1 एल्डिहाइड था, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एल्डोस शुगर. फ्रक्टोज का C2 कीटो ग्रुप था, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड कीटो शुगर. और जब C1 बाइंड विद C2 तो दोनों फंक्शनल ग्रुप अरेंज हो गए, नो फ्री फंक्शनल ग्रुप, That's why it is non-reducing sugar. Non-reducing sugar. Trehalose C1 of glucose bind with C1 of another glucose. Yes, maltose में C1 bind with C4. Trehalose C1 bind with C1 means both functional groups are joined. No free functional group, so non-reducing again. So this is frequently asked question. Yes, how to remember simple mnemonic no rest. अब preparation कर रहे हो तो you are not supposed to take rest. So non-reducing sucrose plus trehalose. Sucrose and trehalose are non-reduced sugar. Thank you.